Hello everyone. Let's dive into the SECRUI wireless motion sensor doorbell system. This kit comes with a plug-in receiver and 2 motion sensors, offering a straightforward way to enhance security for homes, businesses, or offices. Installation is truly a breeze. The motion sensors can be easily mounted on walls or doors using either screws or double-sided tape, while the receiver simply plugs into an outlet. What's particularly appealing is the system's expandability. It supports up to 20 sensors or receivers, making it simple to create a comprehensive security network tailored to specific needs. The wireless range is impressive. The motion sensors boast a detection distance of up to 26 feet, and the wireless distance to the receiver can reach an impressive 500 feet. This makes it suitable for various applications, from monitoring front and back doors to keeping an eye on hospital monitoring rooms, warehouses, and parking lots. When motion is detected, the sensor promptly sends a signal to the receiver, triggering the chosen alarm. Customization is a key feature. The doorbell offers 32 unique ringtones, including both alarm sounds and traditional doorbell chimes. There are also 5 adjustable volume levels, ranging from a loud 110 dB to a mute mode for when silence is preferred. The adjustable distance and angle of the sensors add another layer of flexibility. The sensors can rotate 360 degrees, allowing users to fine-tune the detection area to suit their specific requirements. The package includes everything needed to get started: the plug-in receiver, 2 motion sensor door chimes, each requiring 2 AAA batteries, which are included, and the option to power the sensor bell via USB DC 5E. SECRUI also provides a 12-month warranty, offering peace of mind. If any issues arise, their customer support is readily available via email. Overall, the SECRUI wireless motion sensor doorbell system offers a user-friendly and expandable security solution with impressive wireless range and customizable settings. It's definitely worth considering for anyone looking to enhance their property security.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.